When you have salted caramel chips, you make salted caramel chocolate cookie. Let's go. First, you're going to start by preheating your oven to 350. Then you're going to add half a cup of room temperature butter to a bowl. You're going to add your white and brown sugar to this and mix until combined. Then you're going to add 2 eggs. Mix well until light and fluffy. So by doing this, you're actually incorporating some in this, which gives it that nice little crumbly texture. Add your vanilla next and mix. I use vanilla paste, but you can use vanilla essence or extract. Continue mixing. Then you're going to get your dry ingredients. You have flour, cocoa powder, salt, and baking soda. Mix this up and add it to your creamed mixture. You're going to gently fold this in. You don't want to overmix it because it's going to get very tough. So you're gently mixing it until it looks like a brownie batter. Just look how gorgeous it is. Chocolatey and delicious. Add your salted caramel chips now. So you're going to add about 1 2/3 cup, which is about 1 pack. Again, you're going to fold this in ever so gently. And you're going to drop them by tablespoonfuls onto your lined cookie sheet. To me, the best things to use is a mini ice cream scoop. Each cookie comes out perfect. After placing them on the tray, you're going to press it slightly with your fingers because if you leave it like that, I think it's a little too thick. Then you're going to bake for 10 to 12 minutes until it's set in the center. As soon as it comes out of the oven, you're going to sprinkle it with some flaked salt. Let it continue cooking on your hot pan for 5 minutes. Then you're going to remove it to a cooling rack to continue cooling. Look at how gorgeous they are. They are so good and delicious. Remember to get this recipe, check out my website, anitacircadian.com, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook for more.